Hi everyone, I have here the Dream Skin DIY Beauty Kit, and what's amazing about this is it's the first of its kind. It's the first device that incorporates a DIY face mask into a steamer. So let's go ahead and open this up. So on the inside, everything comes really nicely, and then you have the section that you'll be making your face mask on, and then under here is the entire machine. And in this box, there's also these collagen pills, a little brush, a measuring cup, and the power adapter. What's so great about this is it makes face masks that actually work. You're controlling all the ingredients that are going into your face mask, and with their collagen pills, everything you want is getting absorbed into your skin without going to waste. And to go along with that, the collagen pills are 100% natural and formulated with its own unique formula. Now with the Dream Skin, you could either steam your face by pouring in 100 milliliters of water and steaming your face up to 9 minutes. But let's go ahead and make a face mask. So I'm pouring 70 milliliters of cold water into the device and then pouring 30 milliliters of almond juice into it. And then I'm going to add in 1 collagen pill. Then just press the mask button and it will start flashing, and wait 5 minutes for the mask to be mixed and poured into the tray. Let it cool for about 10 minutes and cut the edges with the mini spatula provided in the kit. Then you could go ahead and apply the face mask to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. I think it's so much fun to make a face mask, but also they're way better than sheet mask as well, because you don't have to worry about any extra harmful chemicals that may be in your mask because you're putting everything in there yourself. And it also makes it a lot cheaper. So if you want an amazing 2-in-1 device, definitely make sure to pick up the Dream Skin today.